everyone! I'm Jocelyn Christabel, and welcome to Kids Corner Storytelling. Today, I'll be telling you a story about unity is strength. Enjoy the story. Once upon a time, there was a flock of doves that were finding food. They were led by their king, the Dove King. One day, the doves were flying a long distance and were very tired. Their king encouraged them to fly a little further.
Come on, we must find food. I'm sure we'll find something. Let's look over there.
A moment later, the smallest dove spotted some rice under a banyan tree. He was so excited, he decided to tell all his friends. Look guys, I found food for us. Come on, let's take a look. So all the doves flew over and began to eat. Suddenly, a huge net fell on top of them. They were very scared. At the corner of their eye, they saw a hunter coming closer, carrying a huge club. Yes! Seeing this, the doves were even scared even more. They tried to escape. They fluttered here and there, but there was no use. The Dove King knew that he has to do something about this, or else they will be all doomed. Aha! He had an idea. Quick, everyone! In my command, you must grab a side of the net. We must work together. Quickly, on my command. So all the doves flew and worked together, escaping the hunter. Seeing this, the hunter was very astonished. He tried to follow them, but it was no use. They were flying high above the hills and valleys. Oh, come on! Worst day of my life! The doves flew to a hill near a city of temples. There lived a little mouse who was a faithful friend of the Dove King. But hearing the loud noise made by the doves, he quickly went to hiding. Squeak, squeak! The Dove King called out to his friend, and the mouse was very delighted to see him. The king then explained to the mouse about the problem he had and asked him to help them escape. Squeak, squeak! Okay then, I'll help you, Dove King, the mouse replied. Eventually, the mouse began to work on the net, chewing them, and helped the doves escape one by one. Soon, all the doves are free! We're free! We're free! Thank you so much, dear mouse! The doves flew away together, united in strength. The moral of the story is that you are always stronger when you work together. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.